Emergency options is our next option on the home screen. This being the situation where a user needs urgent assistance. You'll see here that a user has 3 options: call 911, call security, and message security. Call 911 will route the user's call to the correct jurisdiction based on the user's location. This option also works abroad and will direct the user's call to the local emergency services. Call security is a hard-coded number provided by the organization to your security team. Message security will open a chat with the organization's security team. The chat functionality is very intuitive and easy for users to use. With any of these 3 options, location sharing will begin when the user selects any of the options. Unlike the static geotagging that we used previously with suspicious activity and report incident, this location sharing is dynamic and will allow the security team to see the user's location if they begin moving away from a situation or individual. Location sharing is in the hands of the user and can be stopped at any point.